Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to be celebrating Juneteenth today. I'm going to be doing an African tribal inspired makeup look today. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and most importantly, do not forget to celebrate Juneteenth today. And without further ado, we're just going to jump right into the video. Alright y'all, I am super duper excited for this video just because I really wanted to do something to like represent and celebrate Juneteenth. And if you don't know what Juneteenth is, I am going to leave some links down below about the entire history. But basically this was the actual day that symbolized the freeing of all the slaves in the South. So thank you Jesus for Juneteenth. So basically that's the inspiration behind this look. I am going to be incorporating a lot of bright colors today, and I'm also going to be trying out some tribal like paints idea. I really hope that I do this right, just because it's very important to me and I want to get it right. And also shout out to my eyebrows to like my eyebrows are looking really good today. And if you want to see my eyebrow routine, make sure you check that video out. I am going to link that video to this somewhere in here because I really did a good job on these brows today. And also, if you want to know how I do my mini twist, I do have a tutorial of that on my channel, so I can link that one to this video as well. But I'm gonna just stop talking and let y'all watch me do my makeup. I probably am going to like spit a little bit more facts over the voiceover just about Juneteenth and just about some special African American people that I look up to, that I like, and all that jazz. So again, happy Juneteenth. Hope you all are celebrating, and yeah, like let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this fluffy brush first, and I'm going to be using my Morphe 3503 First by Nature palette, and I'm going to apply, y'all, I lost my little color sheet, so I don't know the exact colors, but I think I'm going to use this one. This one seems brighter. I'm going to use this bright orange right here. This one right here, I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to place that like in the middle of my eyelid, like a little bit above my crease, but like in this middle section. That's the main color that I'm focusing on, and this look is orange. I wanted to do red, but orange just goes a lot better with my skin complexion. So I'm just going to do orange today. Y'all, I got high expectations for this look, so I'm just hoping that it comes together like I'm picturing it. And I've been practicing a new technique when applying my eyeshadows. So first I go in and I actually like press my eyeshadow in. I pat it in before I actually like sweep across and blend. And I find that doing this it just pays off for more color. Like, you see how pigmented that is? And I've only applied like two packs of eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna place this orange all in the middle. Oh, and also, if you are new to applying eyeshadow, placing tape on the eyes, on the outside of your eyes, does help with like keeping your eyeshadow nice and crisp. And that's just something that I always do. Like, it just helps overall with my makeup. And so we can get some more color on this lid. So of course I have to give some shout outs to some people right now that I look up to, far as in the fashion industry, that are African American. One person, Latricia Harris, she has a boutique and a brand called Fly Girl Boutique, which stands for First Love Yourself. She is an amazing person. She has such a sweet spirit, and she has 2 store locations out here in the 757 in Virginia. She also does online shopping. She has a hair brand. She also has a lash brand. She does entrepreneur coaching. Like, she does a lot. She does it all, and she's just such a sweet person. So shout out to her on Juneteenth. Another person, let me see. I think I'm gonna do one eye and then do the other eye. I think that's how we're gonna rock it today. Yep. And that's how we're gonna rock it today. So I'm gonna double back. Oops. I'm gonna double back into the BH Cosmetics. I don't know which BH Cosmetics palette this is, y'all. It had been through the struggle. I've had this palette literally since I first started wearing makeup. But I'm gonna use this yellow color right here. And also, y'all drop down below in the comments some black owned makeup brands, because I am looking for some more eyeshadows. I need some more eyeshadow palettes, so please y'all drop me some down below. But I'm gonna take this more dense eyeshadow brush. It's really for blending, but I'm gonna use this to pack that yellow right on top of that orange, and I'm gonna blend them together at the same time. But anyways, another person that I look up to right now is one of my old peers. And I say old just because she just recently graduated in May. And her name is Naya Ashley. She has a brand called Nash. Shop Nash. OMG, Naya, please don't kill me because I'm having a brain fart right now. But I'm gonna leave her down below. I'm gonna leave everybody that I'm mentioning. Oops. I'm gonna leave everybody that I'm mentioning in the description box. But that girl right there, y'all, like I keep saying she gonna blow up. Like she really is gonna blow up, just because she's one of those people where it's just like she's just so humble in everything that she does, and like she doesn't look for like clout or anything like that. But she has a fashion brand. Yeah, like she just has a lot of cool pieces. Her pieces are very, very like unique. It's definitely something that you won't see in your Forever 21, Charlotte Russe. I'm sorry, I shouldn't even compare her brand to the brands because it's not even the same. But like House of CB, I guess you can kind of compare, but not really. But her stuff is very unique, so definitely make sure y'all check her out too. I am going to link her down below. Gonna link her down below. Another person that I really do be looking up to, that I really look up to, I'm sorry for my terrible grammar right now, but her name is Courtney Williams, I believe is her last name. Y'all, I can't think right now as far as all the details, but she's a model, and she also started, I guess you could say, like a motivational support type of group. I don't know the exact how she's exactly like calling it, but it's basically like to support other females, and she does talks every Tuesday, I believe, lives every Tuesday, which are very, very good. Like she does call-ins too as well. And but she's a model. I've known her for like a while. I started modeling with her, and we went to modeling acting school together, and she's just been such a sweet person ever since I've known her. And I believe she is signed now, and she's just grown so much. But she's always another person that I just know, like, she's remained the same, and that's just something that like I aspire for myself when I get to like that level, you know, just remaining myself. So that's one thing that I want to just share with you all. And please check out everybody that I am linking down below, just to remain yourself, because that's the most important thing that you can do, no matter how far you go in life. Just remember to be yourself. So yeah, remember to be yourself, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and my small concealer brush to go ahead and cut my eyelid, cut my crease. I hope I don't cut my eyelid. That's not what we're going for. Okay, so do y'all see the blend going on? Do y'all see the cut crease? Like, okay, we are coming through today for this Juneteenth look, okay? I did not come to play with y'all today, all right? So for my eyelid, I'm doing a complete glitter lid today, and I'm going to be using Fairytale Cosmetics. This is their glitter set. It's like 4 glitters in a set. I don't know the exact name of this one, but I am going to link it down below in the description box. It is a set, so it does come together. I don't think you can pick these ones singly, but it's like a gold. This is a chunky glitter. It's like a gold mixed with like orange and white. So all the colors that I'm going for are in this glitter. I hope that y'all can see. Oh, I got it upside down. And I'm going to be using, where is it at? I'm going to be using this lash glue with a wand on it. It doesn't matter if it's white or black. It's easier if it has a wand on it so you can actually apply the glitter. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so that way y'all can see what I'm doing. So y'all can see. Oops. I guess it would help if I had my brush ready. And I like to do a little bit of my eyelid at a time. I don't put glue all over my entire eyelid just because I like to take my time. And I guess I'm going to start in the inner corner today. Alright y'all, so these are the final results. I am so in love with how this makeup look came out and just the whole theme and aesthetic. Like, I'm so in love with this look. And if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing, this is literally a head wrap that I got out of the beauty supply store, and I just tied it up into a bow to make a nice little crop top. And I also got these matching earrings. So you guys, I really hope that I achieved the look that I was going for. I think I did a pretty good job, but you guys let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about this look. But most importantly, you guys, please celebrate and observe Juneteenth today. Make sure you read up on the history of Juneteenth. We'll be leaving links down below that you can read up on it, so definitely make sure you check those out. And also check out the people down below that I talked about in this video too. Please go and support a small business, and also my fellow African Americans, please support each other. So that's all I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. Stay safe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.